3 raised to power 2 into 2y plus 1 is equal to 3 raised to power 4 into y minus 2 all raised to power all over 3y raised to power y. So we are going to have 3 raised to power 2 into 2y plus 1 is equal to 3 raised to power 4 into y minus 2 minus y. You know if this one goes up. So let us equate the powers. Equating the power. We have 4y plus 2 is equal to 4y minus 8 minus y. So we have 4y plus 2 is equal to 3y minus 8. Subtracting 3y from both sides, we have y plus 2 equals minus 8. Subtracting 2 from both sides, we have y is equal to minus 8 minus 2 minus 10. So that is y. So number 1 is C. Number 2, here we have to solve this. Now we have to solve this. So to make it easy, let's make it like this. It's going to be 8 minus 2 times 2 raised to the power 2n plus 1. Instead of that, let me write it times 2 here. Divided by 4 raised to the power n times 16. So let me make this one times 4 raised to the power minus 2. 16 raised to the power minus 5, 4 raised to the power minus 2. Let me now bring it down. This one is going to be 2 raised to the power 2n. This one is going to be 8 raised to the power minus 2 times 2 raised to the power 2n times 2. Divided by 2 raised to the power 2n times 4 raised to the power minus 2. This one. Cancelling. This one will give me this. At the end of the day, I'm going to have, bringing this one out, I'm going to have 8 raised to the power minus 1. Bringing this one out, I'm going to have 4 raised to the power minus 1. And I'm going to have 2. Cancelling. Cancelling. It's going to be 4 over 8. 2 over 2. Or 1 over 2. Let me see what the options are. So the answer is C. The answer is C. So we are asked to find the value of A when log A base 49 is equal to 1.5. So what that implies is that A equals to 49 raised to the power 1.5, which is 7 squared times 1.5. So A equals to 7 raised to the power 3. And that is 49 times 7. 343. So A is 343. So the answer for this one is D. Now let's go to the next one. We have this question like this. So we can write it like this. 3 times 3 times 3 times 2 times 3 times 13 divided by 4 times 3 times 2 times 3 times 2 times 13. This one is this one. This one is this. This one is this. This one is this. And this one is this. Now, since they are all square rooted, we can cut now. Cancel this. Cancel this. Cancel this. So, what am I having? I have 3, 3, 3, 4, and 2. So, I have 3 over 4. Sorry, 3 over 2. 3 over, because this is 2 squared. So I have this one out. I have this one out. So it remains this one and this one inside the bracket. So that's the answer. Let me check the option. So now let me rationalize further. I can still say 3 root 3 times root 2 over 2 root 2 times root 2. This one is going to give me 3 root 6 over 2 times 2, which is 3 root 6 over 4. Let me see. So C is the answer to this one. C is the answer to that one. Now we have to simplify this. Log 4 minus log 2 over log root 8. We can rewrite it to be log 2 minus log 2 over log 2 raised to the power 3 over 2. Because this is log 2 raised to the power 3. And this square root has divided it by 2. So I can now say 2 into log 2 minus log 2 over 3 over 2 log 2. You can see that this one is 2 minus 1 into log 2 over 3 over 2 log 2. So this is 1 over 3 over 2. 2 over 3. That's the answer. So we have number 6 here. I can't find number 5 and then 4. So we have number 6. So number 6 says, what's the value of t if the line which passes through 1 minus 1 minus t and 2t minus 2t and 2 is perpendicular to the line 2x plus 8y plus 17 equals 0. So let's find the tangent of this line. We have 2x plus 8y plus 17 equals 0. So let's write it to be 8y equals minus 2x minus 17. So divided 2 by 8, we have y equals minus 2 over 8x minus 17 over 8. So if you follow this, y equals to mx plus c, where m is the gradient. So it means the gradient of this line is minus 2 over 8, which is minus 1 over 4. And if this one is perpendicular to this one, it means that the gradient, this one, should be perpendicular to this. And then let's call the gradient of this one m2, which should be minus 1 over minus 1 over 4, which is 4. Therefore, the gradient of this line should be 4. So that is 2 minus t over minus 2t minus 1 should be equal to 4. That is the gradient of this place. So we have 2 plus t over minus 2t plus 1 equals to 4. So 2 plus t will be equal to minus 8t plus 4. So let's bring this one here. Let's bring this one here. So we are going to have 90 is equal to 2. So t equals to 2 over 9. Let's see. So A is the answer. A is the answer. Now we are given this. We are told that if the average cost of 15, 21, 17, 26, 18, and 29 is 21, calculate the variance of this cost. So how do we do that? We subtract 21 from all of them and square it. So this is what we do. Let's have it like this. 15, 21, 17, 26, 18, 29. Let's subtract 21 from it. From each. So we have minus 6, 0, minus 4, 5, minus 3, and 8. So let's square. Square this. So it's going to be 36, 0, 16, 25, 9, 64. So let's sum everything. So what will that give us? This one is 52. This one is 34. So that is 686. Plus this 150. So 150, we divide it by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 150 divided by 6. So standard derivation, you square root it. But if it is variance, you don't square root it. Now we are given another one. We are told find the variant of the tangent to the curve y equals x squared minus 3x plus 4 at point minus 1 minus 1. So we have it like this. Y, this is number 8, equals x squared minus 3x plus 4. So how do we do it? You do the y dx. So that's going to be 2x minus 3. So at the point minus 1 minus 1, you have seen that x is minus 1 at that point. So just plot it in there. So it's going to be 2 into minus 1 minus 3. That's minus 5. So see. Now number 9, we are going to solve this inequality. Minus 1 over 4 is less than 3 over 4 into 3y minus 2 is less than half. So we solve for one part and we solve for the other part. So let's take this first part. We have minus 1 over 4 is less than 3 over 4 into 3y minus 2. Multiply both by 4. We have minus 1 is less than 9y minus 6. So what do we have now? Let's add 6 to both sides. We have 5 is less than 9y. So it means that y, let's do it like this, 5 over 9 is less than y. Now let's solve for this part now. We are going to have 3 over 4 into 3y minus 2 is less than half. So multiply both sides by 4. We have 9y minus 6 is less than 2. So let's add 6 to both sides. We have 9y is less than 8. So y is less than 8 over 9. So with the way it is now, you can easily put this one here. Sometimes you might not easily put it like this, but in this instance, you can put it like that. So we have 5 over 9, that's 8. Now number 10 says y is inversely proportional to x squared. I said when x equals, so we can easily write this as say y equals k over x squared. So y x squared is equal to k. So which means that y multiplied by x squared under all circumstances is constant. So we have a situation where we are told that when x equals 3, y equals to 2. So we can put like this 2 times 3 squared. We are now asked that we should find y when x equals to 3 over 2. So we can now say y into 3 over 2 squared because they must be constant. That's what it is. So we now have 2 times 9 is equal to y times 9 over 4. So we can easily say 2 times 9 times 4 over 9 is equal to y. So cancel, cancel. So 8 is equal to y. So what does that give us? This is 9. This is 3 over 2. Find y by x. So that number 10. What I got is y equals to 8. So I need your feedback on this, please. Now number 11. A binary operation on the set of real number is defined by y equals x plus y over 2. For all x, y, and their real numbers. I now have to find 3 operation on y equals 24. So what does that mean? So we are now told that 24 equals 3 plus y over 2. 3 plus y over 2. So we will now be able to say 48 is equal to 3 plus y. So y is equal to 48 minus 3, which is 45. X on y is x plus y over 2. And we are told that this is 24. So 24 equals to 3 on y 8, 3. Well, my answer is 45. My answer is 45. I can't see it in the option. Now calculate the length of the straight line joining the points minus 1, 0. That's number 12. And 2 minus 2. You just use difference and apply Pythagoras theorem. So it's just like this. For y, 0. Okay, let me just illustrate it like this. Minus 1, 0. 2 minus 2. So we have it like this. 2 minus 2. So the length of this one will be minus 2 minus 0. And the length of this place will be, along this place will be 2 minus 1. So which means that you have 3 here, you have 2 here. So this is the distance. So it's going to be square root of 3 squared plus 2 squared, which is root of 13. So the answer is B. Square root of 13. 3 squared plus 2 squared. Root of 3 squared plus 2 squared. Now number 13. Calculate the volume of a cone. 7 cm deep and base radius is 1.5 cm. The formula for cone is 1 over 3. 1 over 3 pi r square height. So the volume will be 1 over 3 times 22 over 7. We have been given the value of pi. What is our r? We are told that our r is 1 over 1.5. So which is 3 over 2 squared. And then, what is the height? 7 centimeters times 7. So the volume, you can calculate the volume now. So yeah, 11. So we have 33 over 2 cm cubed, which is 16.5. So A, number 12 is A. Okay, that's 13, sorry. Number 13. Number 14. A shopkeeper allows a discount of 10% on the marked price of the commodity. If a customer paid 56 naira for the commodity, what was the marked price of the commodity to the nearest whole number? The shopkeeper allows a discount of 10% on the marked price. Okay. So what does that mean? It means that if we have X and there is 10% discount, the price paid, P, will be equal to 90% of X. Now, we are told that somebody paid 56 naira for the commodity. So the market price, so which means that P is 56 naira. We are now asked to find X, which means that it is 90% of X. So X will be equal to 56 times 100 over 9. So, and that will give us 956. That is 6 point something. So let me use calculator then. So the answer I got is 62.222. So the answer is B. Number 15. Which of the following is a sketch of 2 sine x ranging from 0 to x to 2 pi? Which means that, you know, if it is 1, our normal distance, it will be from 0 to like this. This one will be at pi. That's 90, pi over 2. So pi. So this one, ordinarily this one will be 1. If it is y sine x. But in this instance, we have 2 sine x. So this place will now be 2. Everything multiplied by 2. So this place will be 2. This place will be minus 2. And to go like this. From 0 up. So answer is A. If you know about your sinusoidal curve. Now number 16. Number 16.
A box contains 2 white and 3 blue identical balls. If 2 balls are picked at random, one after the other without replacement, what is the probability of picking 2 balls of different colors? 2 balls of different colors. Let us take it like this. We have 2 whites and 3 blue balls.
2 whites, 3 blue balls. Total is 5 balls.
And we are now asked, if it is picked in turns, what is the probability of having different balls? Let us take it like this. If the first ball picked is white, we are going to have 2/5. Without replacements, the remaining ball will be 4. And which means that we are asked if they are different. Which means that the first one will be white and the next one will be blue. So if we pick blue the next time, it will be 3/4. Now, let us now assume if we pick the first one to be blue, it's going to be 3/5. And the next one, white, is going to be 2/4. So you can see. So the probability is this plus this. This plus this. So it's going to be 6/20. And this one is going to be 6/20. So the full, what's it called? Probability is going to be 6/20 plus 6/20, which is 12/20. 6/10. 3/5. So the answer is going to be A. Number 17. If one of the roots of the equation 2y squared minus n plus 2y plus n is 0 is 2, find the value of n. So we have it like this. Number 17. So we have something like this, that 2y squared minus n plus 2y plus n equals 0. So which means that if we should put 2 into this equation, we are going to have 0. So let's see what it will give us. So 2 into 2 squared minus n plus 2 into 2 plus n equal to 0. So this is going to be 8 minus 2n minus 4 plus 2 equals 0. So what does that? No, sorry, this is n, not 1. So this is going to be 4 minus n equals 0. n equals 4. So B is the answer. B is the answer. You understand? Which means that for roots, when I talk about roots of the equation, it means that when you substitute it into the equation, you remember what was this factors theorem and remainder theorem. So that's what is applied here. Now number 18. Given that 11011, 11011, and then 1111, 11111, and 10000, all in base 2. On adding gives us 0 and 0, 1 and 0, 1. So let me see how many things are we having there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have seen it. So let us do our addition in base 2. Let's do our addition in base 2. So what does this give us? 2, 0. We bring 1 here. 1. We bring 1 here. 0. We bring 1 here. 1. We bring 1 here. That is 10, 100. Is that? Yes. So, because 4 will be one here, 0, n, 0, 1, m, 0, 1. So if you look at it, m is 0, n is 1. So m is 0, n is 1. Find the value. So the answer is D. Number 19. A man made a loss of 15% when he sold an article for 510 naira. The original price of the article is what? Now, when you make a loss of 15%, it means that you sold at 85% of the cost price. So, loss of 15% is sold at 100 minus 15% price. So, which is that 510 is equal to 85% of price, of cost price. So P will be equal to 510 times 100 over 85. That is 600. So the answer is 600. That's it. Now, it says with respect to x, differentiate cos x over a. So we have y equals cos x over a. Since this one is multiplied by 1 over a, our answer will be minus 1 over a sine x over a. Minus 1 over a, that is C. That is C. Number 21. What is the remainder when polymer y raised to power 3 plus 4y squared minus 8y plus 1 divided by y minus 1? So we use remainder theorem. We are asked y cubed plus 4y squared minus 8y plus 1 is divided by y minus 1. See, this is equation of straight line. All you just need to do is to slot in y equals plus 1 here. So you put 1 here plus 4 into 1 squared minus 8 into 1 plus 1. So what does that give us? 1 plus 4 minus 8 plus 1. That's minus 4. That is D. Number 22. The angle of a sector of a circle of radius 10.5 is 120. What is the perimeter of the sector? What is the perimeter of the sector? You know, this is how the sector looks like. And we have radius to be 10.5, and this way is 10.5. And we are told that the angle at the center is 120 degrees. So this place here will be equal to 120 over 360 times 2 pi times 10 times 10.5. So here, is 3. This is 21. So which means that this one is 7. So 22 over 7 times 7. So 20. So the perimeter will be equal to 22 plus 10.5 plus 10.5. That's 43. So that is C. So that is C. Now, a committee of 5 members is to be chosen from a group of 6 men and 4 women. How many committees are possible if there are to be 3 men and 2 women in each committee? So, we are having 6 men, 4 women. So, and we are told that the possibility is 3 men and 2 women. So, what we are going to have is C3 times 4C2. We are selecting 2 from women, 3 from men. That's the way you can select it. It has been specified. So, infinite geometry series is 6. And the sum of the first two terms is 4.5. Find the common ratio. For s to infinity, we have a over 1 minus r. And we also have, for the sum of the first two terms, that is c1 plus c2. And what will that be? It's going to be a plus ar. That's what it's going to be. It's going to be a into 1 plus r. A into 1 plus r. And we have a into, this one is, so we are told that sum to infinity is 6. And this one is 4.5, which is 9/2. I'm just trying to see what link I can have here. Now, if I should divide this one by this, let's see what it will be. S over C1 plus 2. No, let's make it like this. T1 plus T2 over sum to infinity will be equal to, this one is S2 over S infinity. A into 1 plus R over A into 1 minus R. So by the time you cut this, it's going to be A into 1 minus R times, 1 plus R times 1 minus R over A. And what is this one? A into 1 plus R. That is 4.5. Yeah. So it's 4.5 over 6. 4.5 over 6. So this one will cancel this. Are you getting it? So at the end of the day, I'm going to have 1 plus R into 1 minus R is equal to 3 here. 3 here is 4. 3 here. 1.5 here is 3. 1.5 here is 4. So I'm going to have 3 over 4. 3 over 4. And if you look at it, this one is going to be 1 minus R squared is equal to 3 over 4. So I'm going to have 4 minus 4R squared is equal to 3. So I have 4R squared minus, so minus 4R squared. So minus 4R squared is equal to minus 1. So R squared is equal to 1 over 4. So R is equal to 1. So what are we asked to find? What are we asked to find? We have to find the common ratio, that is R. And I think I've gotten it. It is plus or minus half. That is B. So it's plus or minus half, that is B. Number 25. We have to find the minimum of the function y equals 2x cubed minus 21x plus 36 minus 20. So when you want to find the minimum or maximum, you have to differentiate with respect to x. So the y dx is equal to 6x squared minus 42x plus 36. So you have to find the zeros of this to determine the points where y dx, where it is minimum or maximum. That is the turning point. So let's do that. So we are going to make it like this. 0 equals 6 into x squared minus 7x plus 6. So we're going to have 6 into x minus 1 into x minus 6. Now to determine which one of them is the minimum or maximum, you have to do the 2i dx squared. So if it is positive, that means it is a minimum. If it is negative, that means it is maximum. So now let's put the 2y dx squared there. The 2y dx squared. When it is so it's going to be 12x minus 42. When it is 1, let's put 1 there. That's 12 minus 42, that's minus 30. minus 1 to 8. Minus 1 to 8. So let's see. That is D. 25D. Now we are asked to find the locus of the point, which is equidistant from the points x 1, 2, and y 3, 5. That's number 26. That's number 26. So we have x 1, 2, y 3, 5. Now we have to look at the line that joins these two, find the midpoint, and then we will now, find the perpendicular bisector of this. That's the line that is equidistant from both. Let's do that. The gradient is equal to 5 minus 2 over 3 minus 1, and that is 3 over 2. So the gradient of the line that passes through them, that is equidistant from these 2 points, is going to be gradient n2 is equal to minus 1 over 3 over 2, which is minus 2 over 3. That's the gradient of the line that is equidistant from the 2. Another thing is, what will be the points that bisect this one equally? So that is going to be a point on the line is 1 plus 3 over 2 and 5 plus 2 over 2. That is y. So this 2. So this point 2, 3.5. This is a point on this line. So we have gotten our new gradient of the line and the point on the line. So we are going to have y minus 3.5 over x minus 2 is equal to minus 2 over 3. So we are going to have 3y minus this 10.5 is equal to minus 2x plus 4. Minus 2x plus 4. So the line is going to be 3y plus 2x is equal to 14.5 or 29 over 2. That's it. So, or we can make it like 6x plus 6y plus 4x is equal to 29. So the answer is D. The answer is B. Now we have to evaluate log 4 raised to power log 4 and half over log 21 quarter. So I need to look at it. It's going to be log 4 and half over log 4 and half squared, which is equal to log 4 and half over 2 log 4 and half. So this one cancels this. We have half. So the answer is half. Factorize this. So let's do it. So we have x into a minus 2b. If you look at this, we have y common to both and 2. So let me make it plus 2y into minus 2b plus a. So I can rearrange it to be x into a minus 2b plus 2y into a minus 2b. So it's going to be x plus 2y into a minus 2b. That's the answer. X plus 2y into a minus 2b. So for 29, you are asked, what is it that may not be true for a rhombus? Out of all the alternatives, necessarily equal. Number 39, in the diagram, O is the center of the circle. We have it like this. So which means that AD is the diameter. And we have this BC. What is the center of the circle BCD? If AB is equal to BC and CDA is 64 degrees, find BAD. They are asking us to find this place. And we are told that this place and this place are equal. So, let's see. And this is a quadrilateral. Remember, cyclic quadrilateral. It means that this place and this place will give us 180 degrees. So 64 from 180, 116. And if this place and this place, so we are going to have this place to be 32. And this place 32. And what they ask us to find is angle BAD. And if you look at this again, angle at the circumference, this place is 90 degrees. So which means that 90 plus 64 plus this place should give us 180. So 64 plus from 90, that's 26. Yes. So angle BAD is equal to 32 plus 26, 58 degrees. So B is the answer. Number 40, find the values of A for which the matrix A minus 2, 2, 1 has no inverse. At one point it has no inverse. So, you have to find the value for which the matrix has no inverse. That will happen when the determinant is 0. That is A minus 2 into A minus 3 minus 2 times 1 is equal to 0. And that will be A squared minus 5A plus 6 minus 2 equals 0. So it's A squared minus 5A plus 4 equals 0. So I have A minus 4 minus A minus 4A plus 4 equals 0. So A into A minus 1 minus 4 into A minus 1. So A minus 4 and A minus 1. So that is when A equals to 1 or 4. So D is the answer. D is the answer. For number 30, we are given this, that we have right angle triangle and the length is 8. So we have, so here is 5. 8. So since this place is 8, 5 times 8, this place, the area of this place is half base times height. That is half times 3 times 4. That is 6. This place is 6. For this base here, we have 3 times 8, that's 24. For this surface here, 5 times 8, that's 40. The back side here, that is 4 times 8, that is 32. So the total surface area is going to be 6 plus 6 plus 24 kilogram. Calculate the median of the distribution. Now, if you look at it, we have the product of the weight and the frequency. That's what I need here. So I have 150, 200, 400, 550, 60Y, 280, 80. And we are told that the average is 50. Will equal to the sum of this divided by the sum of the frequency. And what is that going to give me? 150. This is 700. 1100. 280 plus 80. 360 plus 60Y. Divided by 5 plus 10, 15. Plus 11, 26. 31 plus Y. So, I hope my calculation is right. 700. So, that is 1460 plus 61 over 31 plus 1. So, let me for ease. So, what does that give me? It gives me 155 plus 5Y is equal to 146 plus 6Y. Subtracting 5Y from both sides and 146 from both sides, it gives me 9 equals to Y. So Y is 9. So first of all, we find Y to be 9. So I can now draw the table very well. So now from here, I can know the total occurrence or frequency. So the total is 5 plus 10, 15. Okay, I got it before. 5 plus 10, 15 plus 11, 26. 31 plus Y, that is 40. So I have 40. So the total frequency is 40. Now, the median will be the 21st, between 20 and the 21st. And let's see where it falls. It falls in the range of 50. Because 5 plus 10, 15. So, and from 16 to 26 is under 50. So the median is 50. Median is 50. Median is 50. Because by the time you look at it, it's going to be 5, 10, 11, 9, 4, 1. So you can see, from here to here is 15. From here to here is 26. So 20, 21 is here. So that is why we have it to be 50. So 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So the median is 50. So B, that's number 31. 32. In the relation x over root 3 equals z over root z plus y. Express z in terms of x and y. So we have it like this. 32. X over root 3 is equal to root z over z plus y. Now let's square both sides. I think that, and I want to make z the subject of the formula. So for ease, let's square both sides. I'm going to have x squared over 3 is equal to z over z plus y. Multiply both sides by z plus y. So I'm going to have x squared, zx squared plus y x squared over 3 is equal to z. Then multiply both sides by 3. So I have z x squared plus y x squared is equal to 3z. Let me gather like terms. Zx squared minus 3z is equal to minus y x squared. Minus y x squared. So, once again, let me factorize this. I have z into x squared minus 3 answer. Number 33. If a fair coin is tossed 3 times, what is the chance of obtaining at least 2 heads? At least 2 heads. So, we are going to have something like this. I can use binomial expansion for it, or I can use tree diagram. Let's say like this: 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. You can see. For ease, let's do it like this. You can see. So, head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, tail. And we are asked for the chance of obtaining at least 2 heads. At least 2 heads, which means that we can obtain 2 heads or 3 heads. So let's see. Here we have 3 heads. Here we have 2 heads, 1 tail. We have 2 heads, 1 tail. We have 2 tails, 1 head. So this one is out of it. Here we have 2 heads, 1 tail. We have 2 tails, 1 head. We have 2 tails, 1 head. We have 3 tails. And we are asked of obtaining at least 2 heads. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So, and that is going to be half raised to power 3. So, this one is half raised to power 3. This one is half raised to power 2 times half. Same thing here. Half raised to power 2 times half. Here again, this one is not part of it. This one again, half raised to power 2 times half. So, what do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 times half raised to power 3, which is 4 times 1 over 2. That is 4 over 8. Half. So the answer is half. The answer is half. So from the alternatives, I see that this is C. Find the value. You have to find this. 1, 0, 5x raised to power 3 plus 4x squared plus 7x. So 3 decimal place. Now, it's going to be 5x raised to power 4 over 4 plus 4x cubed over 3 plus 7x squared over 2 from 1 to 0. So if you put 0 in all this, it will give us 0. Now let's put 1. It's going to be 5 over 4 plus 4 over 3 plus 7 over 2. So that's going to give us, this one is 3.5, 1.125, and then 1.333. So let's see. So 5 plus 7 plus 4. So I'm getting 6.083. 6.083. That's what I got. And that hypotenuse of a right angle triangle, isosceles triangle, is root 2.
So what they are telling us is that we have a triangle with two sides equal, and this place is root 2. So what does that tell us? This place is 1, this place is 1, and this is even 45.
The area of the triangle is what?
Half base times height. Half times 1 times 1. And that is what?
Half. 0.5 cm square. Number 36. If cos theta is equal to 2, find cos theta.
Cos theta. 1 over tan theta.
Now, the simplest way to handle it is draw a triangle, right angle triangle. Theta. And what is cos theta? Adjacent over hypotenuse. So which means that we make this place t, we make this place 1. So what will this place be? It's going to be root of 1 minus t squared. So what is tan theta in this instance now? Tan theta is opposite over adjacent. Tan theta is equal to root of 1 minus t squared over t. So cos theta is equal to t over root of 1 minus t squared. So C is the answer.
C is the answer to that.
Number 37. Which of the shaded regions in the following diagram represents A intersection B complement? Ah, shit. Okay. Let's say A intersection C intersection B complement.
So A intersection B complement intersection C. So we have it like this.
Now, looking at this, we have a place that is absolutely B complement. Everything from here. So here is B complement. And this is A intersection C intersection B complement. So here. So C is the answer. Number 38. The first term of an AP is 37 and the sixth term is 12. More than the fourth term. Find the seventh term. We are told that A plus 3 is equal to 37. And we are also told that the sixth term, A plus 5D, is equal to 37 plus 12. Automatically, D is 6. Because 2D is 12. 2D is 12. Okay, let me see. 2D is 12. So D is 6. We are now asked, what is the seventh term? The seventh term is just the 6 plus the sixth term. So seventh term will be equal to 37 plus 12. That is the sixth term. Everything here is the sixth term. Plus 6, that is the common difference. Which will be 18 plus 37. That is 55. So A is the answer. Now, to 39 and 40.